Let us continue to part number 2. So here you can see the image of part 2. There are two images, front view and top view. This is how it looks like after making a 3D. So one view will be like this. You are there in the front view, this one, and at the top view you have the other one, the top view. So this you can see here. With these two images, you have to draw this 3D diagram. Now to start with, you have to the first sketch. First sketch would be a circle with the diameter 132. Now, where do you find this diameter? See this image closely. You can see the radius here, 61. So diameter will be 122. So this is the circle which is drawn here. You can see. Let us start with the same. Go to the file, new. Go to the third one, part, then OK. Save this part, save, sketch, take the front view and draw a circle with a diameter of 1 and dimension it as 122. Then next, this circle has to be protruded for a distance of 330, which is here. The 330 protrude. It has written, then protrude. Profile, symmetric protrusion. 300. This is the first sketch. Next, continuing further, you have the distance here 165 and a diameter of 106. So this 106, not the diameter, it's a radius of 106, and this distance is 165. So with this 165, you can see here 165 distance and radius of 106. You have to draw a sketch here. So go to sketch, select this face. Now let us draw it separately. Here, draw a horizontal line of 165. Keep it horizontal with angle 0. And then keep it outside. Then there is a arc with a radius of 106. Arc by 3 points. This is the first point, the second point. It is 1 radius. Click there. Then you can fit and dimension it. This is 165. This is 106. Now you need to place this above this. So use the concentric circle. This circle should be concentric with this circle. So it will just automatically get concentric. Then return. Protrude this to 25 mm. Put this by distance of 25 on one side. Not on the outside, it is towards the cylinder itself. Next, you have to make 7 circles with the diameter of 22. So this 3 plus 3 plus 1. There are 7 circles with the diameter of 22. And this circle is at a distance of 141 from the top. Let us start with the, can make a hole, or you can also make a cutout. We can go to sketch and draw a line. Which is having a distance of 1 from the top, and then from the center draw a vertical line, and wherever this line cuts, you need to draw a circle. This is our cutting point. This you have to draw a circle of diameter 22. You can then it, fit it, and delete the unwanted lines. It's 141 with a diameter of 22. Now make this cutout by using the cutout option. Make a throughout hole. Then keep to this edge, or you can just drag it unlimitedly so it gets cut. Now we can pattern this circle on both sides. So go to this pattern option here. This is the pattern, and it is asking, click on a feature where you want to, which you want to pattern. So this is the pattern, and then right. Then it is asking, click on a planar face or reference plane, change the or create the option. Go to select from sketch and keep this. Then click on this surface. Now it is asking, click for the current center point of the arc. So I want to draw an arc which is having the center point of this one, and click for the start point of the arc. The arc will start from here. Okay, here you make it a circular pattern with partial circle, and from here draw up to this point, and here you have to make sure that there are 4 circles image, you can see totally there are 4 circles. And okay, make this here as fill, and this angle should be 40 because 360 by 90, it is 40 spacing, 40-degree angle. So with this we can return. This makes the hole here. 3 holes are ready. Next comes one more pattern. Similarly, click on the feature. This is the feature, right? And then click on the plane, and then click on the center point of the arc, and here partial circle. From here up to this, click here, and then this should be fill, and here this should be 40-degree angle. That is 360 by 9. It's 40. Return. We are ready with the 9. Actually, there are 9 holes. 2 holes are coming out of this cut. Only 7 will be. So this is how. After this, I need the same image or the same profile on the other side as well. See here and here, both sides are there. This is 25, this is 25. So let me mirror this, the mirror command, mirror copy feature. We want to mirror this entire thing, and you can do here mirror copy feature smart. Okay, right. And which plane? This is the plane that has got mirrored. Then I want to mirror the pattern as well. Click this here, smart, same. First, let us mirror the original line. Then mirror the other things. These 3. Continue to the remaining holes. This one, and here you keep this in the fast only. Mirror copy feature fast, right? Then select the plane. Then again one more mirror. Finish. One more. Okay. Outcome. So in this way, we have mirrored the holes and the feature on the other side as well. Next, further continuation to sketch with a select from plane, select from sketch. Okay, so this is the plane which you have to select. Now here you have to draw a circle of 165. This one 165. So take the circle at the center point. Keep a circle of diameter 1, dimension it, 65. Done. This has to be protruded, right, up to this edge. Dimension need not be mentioned. Up to this edge it has to be protruded. Similarly, again protrusion of the same circle. Okay, up this, wherever it may be. So that itself is the distance. There is no separate distance. Next, further continuation, take a sketch on this surface and draw a circle of diameter 122. You can find this in the diagram here. This is the 122. So same thing is drawn here. And this height for protrusion is 492 plus 58 plus 3. The total is 553 height you have to protrude here. So that will return protrusion. Okay. It is a distance of protrusion is over. And then there is a revolved protrusion at the bottom here. For that, you have to select the sketch which is parallel to that. This is the parallel plane. Here you have to draw the small rectangle. In this, the top is 21.5. And side it is 58. And it should be kept at a distance of 3 mm from the bottom. So mark it as 3 and keep it vertically. Then move this entire sketch from this point. place it on top of this small 3 mm line. Then you can trim off this line. Hit it. Now you need a center line for your function, so that this becomes your center line. This doesn't need any dimension, it's just a vertical line. Then you need to revolve this. Then revolve protrusion, this one around this with angle of 360. Okay. That is the revolve protrusion. Then you have to make two extension on both sides. That is this part you have to make. For that you have to take 150 plus 29. This is radius 29 and this is 150 to center. So that will be the extension one side. So the same sketch which you have drawn, include this by 150 plus 29, that is 179. One side. See this here. And then you need a circle of 18 within that. There is a circle of 18 here, radius 18. And there is a radius of 29 around that. That is around it. Take that is radius 39, 29, 39. Make a radius for this with the 29. It is round for this with the diameter of or radius of 29. Similarly for this edge as well, same round 29. Okay, then you make a sketch on this with a hole of 18. 18 radius. Dimension it. And then make it concentric with the this circle. Return. Now you can mirror this feature to the other side. To mirror this entire thing. With the plane. This is the plane. The middle plane you have to choose. This right plane. Check with the smart mirroring. Okay. Next, mirror the other features, or else you can cutting separately. Make a round here. 29. And on the other side also 29. Then make a hole. You can use the same feature. This is the image. You can cut through the length. So this much is done. Next, finally, make two circles here. This is a circle of radius 49 and another circle of radius 39. Then return. 39 inside, you have to cut it fully throughout. Just throughout you can cut. And other one 49, you have to cut it for 20. Cut it for inside 20. The last cutout is not for 20, it is 25. Okay, just make a correction. It is full cutout, and this cutout, just delete it. The external circle cutout is for 25. That is the length of this entire thing. That you can just keep it on this, or you can just type here 20 side. Similarly, other side also you can make. That is, go to sketch, draw a circle of 59. Radius. Then return, cutout, a distance of 20. mistake. 25 only. So cut out. So this is the end of this model. You can fit it.